overload.
Yeah.
Then you don't know what you're missing. You need to come to. Remember the last time you?
Yeah, I show your vlog the last time you come here.
Yeah.
This is your second time around to visit me again.
Actually, you told me how to mention Diwata and also
Pasay, Diwata, Pasay City, Diwata Palace Overload located at Jokno Boulevard, Pasay City, ang landmark natin ay GSI. Sa lahat ng gustong pumunta, guys, mag-visit lang kayo dito.
Tapos ang laro pa ng boss ko kanina, pumunta na dito.
perfect Paris overload. Honestly, I also want to ask a question. How do you have a rice farm? Because how do you give out all this rice, the unlimited rice?
Yeah, my rice is very good, unlimited rice, expensive rice. So
You can eat as many as you want.
What is the reason why the people is more to come here? Because unrealized. Because the price is very expensive.
I'm nose bleeding right now. Nose bleeding. I need an interpreter. Nose bleed.
I'm wondering, how do you make it?
Mura ko kaya ito.
Bisayain mo na. Bisayain mo na. Panggayan. Dong. Magbisaya ka dong.
I think the pork and the lechon kawali is also a lot. Okay?
Yeah.
So if you're doing all of that, how do you make, you know, you're giving it more or less for free?
No more tubo. Ano matawag sa inyo sa tubo?
Jug.
Plus.
You need an interpreter.
Thank you so much.
You need an interpreter.
Hirap na ako sa iyo, ha?
Para lang, Diwata, para lang question and answer portion.
To see you again for the second time. Thank you so much.
Para lang question and answer portion yan.
Sa Diwata Parisan.
What country are you, sir?
Sorry?
What country are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Philippines?
Philippines? What's your
You love Filipino, sir?
I love Philippines. I love Filipino food.
Are you married?
I love the Filipino culture.
Wow.
You asking if I'm married?
Yeah.
Not yet, but maybe I'll find a wife in. Maybe I'll find a wife in the Philippines. Who knows?
How about your sports? You have sports?
So give it a shout out. Okay.
Shout out to Random Minds Club. Follow.
All right.
Neo Galisa.
Okay. Those are international channels now. Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna spread the news.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate
What's
it.
the name of your channel?
Traveling Talong.
Traveling Talong.
Yeah, Talong.
Tagalog.
Yeah, Tagalog. I told you I'm Filipino, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the meaning of talong? Dump? Dump?
Eggplant.
Dump?
Eggplant.
Isaac Sabaw. Do you know him? Sabaw.
Yeah. We are Isaac.
Sabaw.
We are Isaac. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. All right. Good.
Pag-usap na isang foreigner, marunong tayo mag-English ba?
Good.
sarap? Good.
Masarap kahit hindi ko pa nasubukan.
Oh, you're taking me to the one I don't know. Salamat po.
Saan mo si Okra Talong? Ano yan?
Traveling Talong.
Traveling Talong. Kala ko Talong.
So ilang taon ka na sa Pinas?
What?
Ilang taon ka na dito?
I can't understand that, honestly.
How many years you been here in the Philippines?
I've been here less than a year.
A year. So what are you doing here? You came here for business or study?
All of it. All of the above.
All of the above?
Yeah,
Wow.
The business I have right now is to enjoy the Philippines.
Enjoy, yes. A very good business, huh? Do you have girlfriend?
Yeah, of course. And I actually advise that you enjoy as well.
Yes,
That's all life
of
has to
course.
offer.
Yes, enjoy life.
Akala ko si Titong pumunta dito kasi natalo sa Miami kanina.
I really wish I understood what you just said.
What?
but
So, are you playing basketball?
Yeah, I play.
What team?
Papagod.
I don't play professionally yet.
Only amateur.
Yeah, just play for fun.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, salamat.
Salamat.
Always be